Welcome back, everyone. I'm joined here today by Robin Matlock, our CMO. Welcome, Robin. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you. I'm glad to be here, Sarah.
Great. There have been some fantastic announcements today, and the keynote was phenomenal. But I think I'd be quite keen to understand as well from you, what has been the overall theme for VMworld this year?
Sure, and I hope it's somewhat self-evident. The theme is all around empowerment. It's all about really elevating the visibility of our customers and our partners, and it's about them being at the center and kind of the hub of the big transformation that's happening in their workplaces, in their businesses, and in our industry. So themes like, I am a maker, I challenge the ordinary, I'm a visionary. It's about them personally and their role and their contribution to this great industry of ours, and really this feeling of empowerment.
That's great. What would you say inspired you the most today?
Oh gosh, I thought the keynote was fabulous. I'm biased, all right? I'm very biased. But I think that we as a company are doing a really solid job telling our narrative, telling our story, and being very consistent with our vision and our strategy, and then demonstrating real milestones and real measured value about how we're bringing that vision to life for our customers and our partners. So I get really excited about it. I thought the virtual reality demo was also really fun and very different, and I really enjoyed that.
That's great, and obviously talking about inspiration as well, I'm just a bit keen to understand a little bit more. Diversity and inclusion is a hot topic at the moment in Silicon Valley, and as a female leader yourself in technology, what would you say needs to be addressed in order to attract a more diverse workforce?
Well, first I think I'd start with the notion of a hot topic. I think this can't be a hot topic that is just hot today and kind of cools down tomorrow, because we know we have a systemic issue. And VMware's doing great work in driving diversity and inclusion, and we are still barely moving the needle. And we're working hard at this. So I think the industry has a systemic issue, and we can't just treat it like it's something that we're going to focus on for a month or a year and see a result. We have to go all the way from education, we have to go into our own hiring practices, we have to break down our unconscious biases, we have to create a culture where diverse populations can thrive and do their best work. We need to work at retention, development. I mean, it is really a whole connected strategy, and I think all of us, not just female leaders, but all of us need to take an active role. And what are we going to do to change the status quo here?
I do, and I wholeheartedly agree. It's obviously inspirational as well, sort of hearing that from a female leader. I know we're running out of time. I mean, what would be the one key message you take away from VMworld Europe this year?
Oh gosh, one thing, I think that, one of the headlines that I saw from Vegas, I thought captured it the best. VMware has its mojo back in VMworld 2017.
Fabulous. Thank you so much, Robin, for joining today, and thank you everyone for tuning in.